how the government had just set out an SOP for drones to spray farms. Just think about it. It's a very, very simple concept. You have a drone that's flying over your farm and that is just spraying all your crops. I mean, from all the fancy, mancy applications that we thought about of drones, this is the most basic one. And the reason why it's super useful is because farming is such a labor intensive job in India. And if you can at least get some of it into a more capital intensive model with using drones, that's going to be less people that you have to employ.
Spraying is obviously one of the most obvious use cases, but I've seen this, I've read this. I don't know how popular this is or where the technology is, but you can use drones to check the soil quality and the soil health also. On like what kind of crops should you grow, what kind of minerals it has and stuff like that. I don't know how popular that is in India. Did you find anything on that?
I had somebody come to me in like 2019 asking for investment in their company that was doing exactly this, right? So they would just fly the drone over a certain area and they would be able to use like hyperspectral imaging to see the health of the crop. So for example, they were speaking about like 1,000-acre farm where they would just fly the drone over the entire farm and seeing like in different wavelengths of light, they were able to tell the health of the crop. I mean, all that kind of fancy stuff.